Welcome to the Cybersecurity Entry Analyst track. I'm Professor Scotland, and over the next 5 lessons, we're going to take you from zero to understanding what a SOC analyst actually does on day one. Let's start with network security fundamentals, because everything in cybersecurity comes back to the network. The internet runs on TCP/IP, a set of rules that lets computers talk to each other. Every device has an IP address, like a phone number. Data gets broken into packets, sent across the network, and reassembled on the other end. Now, here's where security comes in. Firewalls sit between your network and the outside world, deciding what traffic is allowed in and what gets blocked. They use rules like allow web traffic on port 443 but block everything else. Network segmentation takes that further. Instead of putting all your devices on one big flat network, you split them into zones. Your servers go here, your guest Wi-Fi goes there, your finance team goes over there. If an attacker breaks into one zone, segmentation slows them down and keeps them from reaching everything. Why does this matter for a SOC analyst? Because when an alert fires, and it will fire, you need to understand what network you're looking at. Is this traffic crossing a firewall boundary? Is it going somewhere it shouldn't? You can't answer that without understanding TCP/IP, ports, and segmentation. In the next lesson, we'll talk about what happens when an alert actually hits your desk. See you there.